to open these and these and these. My mom want to buy it, and these and these I want to buy, and this is my favorite one. So let's open this first.
No.
Why, guys?
No. Let's open that one.
Yay! This is the biggest mine, guys. Right?
Okay, let me see. Let me show it to the guys. This is called the Sweet Spot. It's food fair exclusive. It includes exclusive 2 candy bags and 2 Shopkins. These are the Shopkins, and 2 candy bags behind.
And I know the kind.
And these are actually Gumball's Gumball machine.
And you only can have 2 sockets. And now you have to turn this thing to get the sockets inside here.
Really?
Yeah. Do you know this, guys, is a machine or something like that?
It's a Gumball machine.
A gumball. Ooh. Let's open it.
And later we can make this box into another Shopkins dollhouse.
And guys, look at the back.
Okay, carry it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. You know what's that for, right?
Yeah.
That's a lollipop stand. This is the lollipop stand. Look.
The lollipop stand.
Yeah, this thing is a lollipop stand. You actually put all the Shopkins there. And and they have this
And look, you also
sweet
can,
ways
you,
to display.
You also can put the Shopkins over here or something.
Really?
And also here.
Is the shelves? Okay, so are you ready to open?
Yeah, let's start to open. Guys, I need your help to open. But you're in the video. You're really in the video. I don't know how to open, guys.
Do you need help?
Yeah, guys.
From who?
From Mommy.
Just a moment, I'll pause the video here and I'll help you to open.